Sorry, this ball now. Go.
That's the right one. Get it right, Dad. Straighten this. Hold up, hold up, hold up.
That's, I think that's just
gonna be crooked.
So thanks everybody for watching our videos. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna start going to more of a vlog format once a week. We're still gonna do product reviews and I'll do trail specials, but our main focus now is going to be more of a vlog style. As you can see, spring has finally made it to Moab. The dead winter season is over, so we're starting to book a lot of tours. The other jobs are going, and we're going to be back real soon. So we're going to be back in the first part of April with kind of a little bit of different format. So wish us luck. Thank you guys very much for watching and all your support, and we will see you soon. Sit. Sit. Ready? Go.
Good boy. Good boy. You want to go inside? Look at your face. It's all covered with dirt. Hi, you're a good girl too. Yes, you are. You're a good girl too.
Sit. Sit.
I know, it's true.